All right, kids, listen too. We're talking about a freeze Monday morning. That'll impact you as well because, well, you're going back to school Monday. So you'll have this weekend where it'll be decent. At least Saturday will be 80. Sunday's going to be windy and chilly. But Monday morning, that's our WFAA weather alert day. It's the coldest air of the season, the first freeze of the season. Low temperatures in the 20s and 30s and wind chills in the 20s. Winds will, be just strong enough to bring it down into the lower 20s for some. Stay updated. That's what you need to do. Prepare this weekend. That's another thing. Frost cloth, the things that you need to do outside with your plants. This is not pipe bursting cold, so don't worry about that. Now, plus, it's been so warm, the pipes are going to be fine for those few hours we're at or below freezing. That's not going to be a problem, but make sure you download WFAA Plus to your TV. You'll need the jackets and sweaters. Bundle up on Monday. It's going to be cold, especially in the morning. 81 degrees, that was the high today. Another day where we were in the 80s. 70 degrees is the normal high, and we only got down to 61 this morning. 80, that's the temperature right now. And winds are out of the northeast with that first weak cold front that's moved through. Ragweed and juniper on the pollen count today. Both are high. Clear skies across North Texas, but the big changes are coming. Tomorrow evening, a cold front will move through Dallas-Fort Worth area around 6 o'clock. So high temperatures will climb to 80 tomorrow afternoon. And then by Sunday night, yes, overnight Sunday into Monday morning, it gets down to freezing. 32 in Dallas Monday morning, Fort Worth 32, Waxahachie 32, McKinney, Denton, Greenville, Decatur, Red River counties, you're in the 20s Monday morning. Corsicana 31, factor in the winds, it'll feel like 23 with the wind chill in McKinney, 28 in Mineral Wells, 30 in Eastland, 26 in Stephenville, 26 in Meridian, low 20s from Paris, Greenville, Canton, Clarksville, Bonham, Sulphur Springs. It's going to be very cold Monday morning. This is a significant shot of cold air. In fact, if we drop to freezing at DFW Monday morning, that would be about 2 weeks ahead of schedule for our average first freeze. Temperatures Sunday stay in the 50s. Monday highs will stay in the 50s. That's about 10 to 12 degrees colder than normal, and then we are back up rapidly. Winds will shift during the day Monday back to the south, and then it'd be pretty windy for Veterans Day on Tuesday. We're back to 70 and then 77 on Wednesday, so temperatures go right back above normal. So just a brief pause in the warmth. 55 tonight, dry and cool with light winds. Don't know what happened there, but there's your 14-day forecast. 70 degrees on Tuesday. You take a look at Wednesday, we're back to 77. Thursday, 80 degrees. Friday, 81. Saturday, 82. So the idea here is we'll have those 2 cold days, and that's why the WFAA weather alert is in effect, because Monday morning, the freeze, not only will that impact your tender vegetation, as we say, but it may catch you off guard, honestly, because it's been in the 80s for so long. If you go back to school and work Monday morning, you might be like, what in the world? What happened here? It's going to be in the 20s and low 30s. Still no significant chances for rain over the next 2 weeks, and a surprising amount of 80s return toward the second half of the 14-day forecast.